Howdy, y'all. I've already got the first couple here, and let me show you how I did it. When they're all positive, you always want numbers that multiply to this number and add to this number. So numbers that multiply to 28 and add to 11. And those numbers are 4 and 7. Now, I also gave you a chart you can use. If you start at the 11 and follow the diagonal line to 28, there it is. So 28 is 7 times 4. And be careful, because sometimes there's more than 128 on here. You got to pick the right one. But if it's on that diagonal line, it will be the right one, I guarantee it. Now, your chart doesn't go up to 19, but you can still find 90 there. And 90 is 10 times 9, which adds to 19. So sometimes they'll be a little bit off, but it won't be too bad. Okay, let's look at a couple more here, and then I'll let you loose. Hopefully this is just a review for you. We're going to start with the -3 and look for 2. Start with the -3. Oh, it's right there. You can start with this -3 or this -3. It doesn't matter as long as it's bold -3. Start with the -3 and look for the 2. Oh, you can pick either one. Either way, it's going to be -2 and -1, or -1 and -2. It's commutative. The order doesn't matter. So -2 and -1. Let's do another one together. That was almost too near the middle there. Okay, so I'm going to start with -4 and look for -45. I'm going to start with -4 and look for -45. So follow the line. There it is. Okay, and so it's going to be -9 and +5. -9 and +5. Okay, I actually want to do one more. I see this one here. So this one here, that's a 1 in front of the B. So you want numbers that multiply to -90 and add to -1. So start with the -1 and follow the diagonal line to -90. Start with the -1, because I can go this way. You can go either way until you find it. Start with the -1 and look for -90. There it is. Okay, so that's going to be -10 and 9. Whoops. -10 and +9. Okay, that's going to be my answer for that one right there. Go ahead and try to turn these out. You should be, I just want you to get good at this. I want you to be proficient. I want you to see this and be like, bam, I got it. All right, and that only comes with practice. Everything comes with practice. So go ahead, crank those out, and I'll be with you in a minute.